Look, you already know how to write, but did you know that you could turn that skill into $10,000 a month without a fancy degree, a big social media following, or spending years climbing the corporate ladder? And that's exactly what I did. You see, just a few years ago, I was stuck making $2.90 an hour, writing for pennies, and wondering how the hell I'd ever escape this cycle of being broke and chasing low-paying client gigs. And fast forward to today, I make 10K, 20K, or even 60K a month, all from email marketing. And in this video, I'm breaking down the exact system you can use step by step. You see, most people think that just being a good writer is enough to make money online. Wrong. I learned this the hard way when I spent years writing blog posts, content marketing, and doing random gig work. You see, $25 for a 1,000-word blog post, clown. $50 for a full website copy project, clown. $10 per email, yep, that actually happened. And no matter how much I improved my writing, I was still underpaid, overworked, and constantly searching for the next gig. Sound familiar? The truth, businesses don't pay for words, they pay for revenue. So if you want to make real money with writing, you need to stop thinking like a freelancer and start thinking like a profit generator. And that's where email marketing comes in. Here's why email marketing is hands down the fastest and easiest way to hit 10K a month as a writer. You see, businesses rely on social media to make money. Unlike social media, where they have to fight an algorithm, email goes directly to their customers. It's very high ROI, return on investment. Every $1 spent on email marketing brings in $36 on average. Businesses know this, so they're willing to pay big for good email copy. Next is its reoccurring revenue. So if you write an email and it makes a client 10K in one day, do you think they'll ever stop paying you? Hell no. Well, maybe eventually, but you have to be good. This is how I went from chasing low-paying gigs to landing 5K, 6K, or even 10K plus retainers. Yes, I've charged $23,000 a month for one client just by writing emails that print money for my clients. So how do you actually do this? Let me break it down. Here's the 3-step system I use to go from broke copywriter to 10K per month. Step 1, learn direct response email copywriting. Forget storytelling, forget fancy writing, focus on writing emails that get clicks and sales. Here are the 4 key types of emails you need to master. Promotional emails. These drive sales. Story-based emails. These build trust and engagement. And 3, newsletter/value emails to keep people warm. 4, re-engagement emails that bring in dead leads back to life. Step 2, get your first 3K to 5K client. This means you need to stop charging per email and package your offer into a monthly retainer. You can offer full email strategy plus copy, aka you're not just writing words, and then you charge 3K to 5K per month per client. Step 3, stack more clients and hit 10K a month. That's just 3 clients for anywhere from 3K to 3.5K a month, or only 2 if you're charging 5. Once you have 2 to 3 clients at 5K a month, you're already at 10K. You're there. You just repeat the process and scale. Now let's talk about the part that scares writers the most, getting clients. Here's the thing, you don't need a huge audience, you just need a proven method to get in front of business owners who already need email marketing. Here are 3 main ways to land clients fast. 1, cold email and DMs. Find businesses already using email, check their website, social media, or sign up for their list. DM or email them with, "Hey, first name, I saw your emails and noticed something that could improve your sales. Want me to fix it for you?" Next, you can check Upwork and freelancer sites the right way. Don't compete on low budget gigs, only apply for email marketing projects. Then use your proposal to show them how you can make them money. Next, you have inbound. You can build a simple authority platform on social media. You can post 1 and 2 times a week on LinkedIn, Twitter, or Facebook groups about email marketing. You can share wins, tips, and before and after results from emails you've worked on. Business owners will come to you when they see you know your stuff. People love to say AI is replacing copywriters or freelance writing is dead. But let me tell you something. AI can write words. AI can't strategize, build relationships, or understand human psychology. That's why email copywriting is bulletproof, especially email marketing, because AI cannot actually send the emails for you. AI can't track sales. AI can't personalize emails at a high level like a copywriter human can. And AI can't fix deliverability issues, making sure emails land in the inbox. And businesses will always need email marketing, period, because any real business has built an email list. That's why this system will keep making you money for years to come. So if you want to go from struggling writer to making 10K per month from email copywriting, here's what to do next. Drop a comment below and leave money bag emojis if this video helped you. Like and subscribe so you don't miss my next breakdown. Hit the bell notification so you can see my next video quickly, and click the link in the description to check out my full stack email marketer program, where I teach you everything about email copy, strategy, and getting high ticket clients. 50% of my students have already closed their first client within the first 1 to 3 weeks of joining. Mad love, and I'll see you in the next video.